Hello! Today I'm bringing you some beautiful China themes for Xiaomi Global once again. For this first theme, we get a dynamic widget with a wide variety of styles on the home screen. This helps synchronize the colors between the wallpaper and the widget. Along with that, the theme also comes with a unique icon set that is still very visually appealing. The always-on display features a beautiful dynamic style. The lock screen features dynamic effects and extremely high customization, allowing flexible and diverse changes in styles and widget colors. You're free to customize the lock screen in any style you like, toggle unnecessary details on or off, or even switch to your own personal wallpaper. The default wallpapers allow you to change colors to match the widgets. To change your personal lock screen wallpaper, open the Theme app and go to the Theme Customization section. Select Lock Style to start customizing the lock screen. Select this option to import your personal image and change the theme's lock screen wallpaper. We'll move on to the next theme. This one features an iOS 26 style with the liquid glass effect. Double-tap the white bar to start customizing the theme's lock screen. You can change the clock style, widgets, wallpaper, and everything else on the lock screen. Some of the small widgets below have a transparency option. When enabled, it helps synchronize the liquid glass effect. The theme comes with 8 quite beautiful wallpapers. You can apply these wallpapers to the lock screen or even the home screen. On the home screen, there is a transparent widget paired with an icon set that also follows a transparent style. This is one of the few themes that support the HyperOS 3 control center. If your device is running the China ROM, you can search for the theme directly by name. If your device is using the Xiaomi Global ROM, then use my backup file to install this theme. To change the lock screen wallpaper of this theme, go to this option and import an image to set it as the wallpaper. To change the text on the white bar outside the lock screen, enter your text in this field. After that, you need to manually enable the personal wallpaper in this way. For HyperOS 3, to change the home screen wallpaper separately, I use the Google Wallpapers app, which can be installed from the Play Store. Select an image from Google Wallpapers, and you'll have the option to set it specifically for the home screen. Next, and also the final theme in this video, we have a theme with a lock screen that features a quite unique dynamic effect. This theme has a simple and gentle style, yet it's still very visually appealing. All the themes in this video are included in a single backup file in the video description. For Xiaomi Global ROM devices, you can use this backup file to install them. If you're not sure how to do it, you can refer to this video. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye, and see you again in the next videos.